Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your document, desktop folder, and pictures onto your OneDrive web portal using your computer. So to start, you click on Start button, then you click on Settings, then you click on OneDrive Sign In. Enter your email, click on Sign In, enter your password, and sign in to your OneDrive web portal on your computer to back up folders and file from your computer onto your OneDrive web portal. You now have login onto my OneDrive web portal on my computer. So to back up files from my computer onto my OneDrive, I click on taskbar, then I click on OneDrive icon. This will show all the files and folders that you have created onto your OneDrive web portal. So you click on Settings, click on Backup button, then you select the folder or files that you want to back up from your computer onto your OneDrive automatically. Then select the folder or file that you want to back up. You can choose desktop folders, you can choose document, you can choose pictures folders to back up onto your OneDrive web portal. After choosing it, you click on Start Backup. Back up all your files onto your OneDrive automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.